Earlier this week, the Kentucky Supreme Court overturned the conviction of Kevon Lawless. He's the person accused of a double murder here in Louisville back in 2020. The court says he should have had a mistrial, actually, when a juror saw a witness arrested for perjury. Now, WHAS 11's Alexandra Goldberg has a closer look at the court's decision.
I think the Supreme Court got it right, even though it's upsetting to the victims' families. But it would not surprise me if this case gets tried again.
All rise for the jury.
Kevon Lawless was found guilty of a double homicide in 2022. Brandon Waddles and his 3-year-old daughter, Trinity Randolph, the victims. Now the Kentucky Supreme Court overturned the conviction, saying there should have been a mistrial. Louisville attorney Nick Mudd explains the court's opinion.
Because the judge commented on a key witness's credibility and the jury heard that and it tainted the jury, they could not be fair and impartial when they rendered this verdict.
Key witness Evan Ross entered a plea deal, admitting to facilitation to murder. The court's opinion states Ross testified he gave Lawless a ride to Waddles' house in the Jacobs neighborhood in 2020, but denied hearing gunshots.
Would you go to the sheriff now?
Moments after Judge McKay Siobhan accused Ross of perjury and he was taken into custody while TV cameras were rolling.
That was later reported by the media, which one of the jurors saw on TV. That juror during deliberations had mentioned that to all the other jurors.
When a judge hears that, what are their options?
In this specific case, really there was no other option than to grant a mistrial.
Judge Siobhan put in an alternate juror. Siobhan told WHAS 11 on Friday the Judicial Code of Conduct prohibits him from commenting on judicial decisions. Now Lawless's case goes back to circuit court. In Louisville, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11 on your side.
On Friday, Kentucky Attorney General Russell Coleman said his office would support the Commonwealth's attorney as her team continues to prosecute that case.